bursting beads of water inside the formula. So we're going to go in extra close. Hold on. We're going in close, 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 close. There
we go.
Keep going, Miss Emily. Keep going. All right. Do we see it? Right. Keep going. Yeah, you might have to go closer. Okay, that's, you know, like when you get like the sweat, the beads of sweat on your forehead?
Yep, there it is.
That's water inside the cream that bursts on contact with your skin.
Insane. You can feel it. You can literally
feel it. Real quick before we go to Claudette, so the first thing we're gonna do is the essence. We press it in, that plumping, firming moisture into our skin that then gives anything you apply after it a high-speed train into the deeper layers of your skin.
I.e. moisturizer.
I.e. moisturizer. Yes. And then we're gonna talk about the lip in a second, because I love the lip scrub. I will sit in my free time when I'm on my couch and I will just peel shards of lip skin off. And then, how gross am I? I'll like wipe them on my sweatpants, you know, and I'll just count how many I have on there. No, I'm serious, because my lips are so... Does this sound familiar? Claudette's like, I think I'm gonna hang up the phone. Claudette, are you there? It's nice to have you. Sorry, I don't know what just happened to me.
Sean, you are hysterical. And if you leave QVC like two other of my beloveds have, I will be following Jennifer wherever she goes, because you just make so much fun for everyone.
Thanks. What do you love from the brand, and why do you love it?
Oh, I started using just Essence 2 or 3 years ago, and my routine without it feels like I have done nothing to my skin. It is amazing. I thought, this is like putting water on my skin at first, and then I realized what that hydration level is like that it adds. So I love Essence. This is my third backup bottle that I'm ordering today because it's so awesome. And then the other product is the Angel's Eye Cream. I have been using that regularly. I use that at night, all 360. Jennifer, correct me if I'm wrong, but I can go 360 around my eyes.
Everywhere.
It's with that. And I use it on my 11s, on my puppet lines, all of that at night.
What she's doing.
Wait, what's a puppet line? I like that. I've never heard of that. What is a puppet line?
The puppeteer, around your mouth.
Right here.
Where
the marionette line.
Oh, yes. Oh, I like that. That's
like
so
that
much better
term.
than marionette.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm using it.
There we go. Yeah. And also on my nasty forehead, too. But all over. I mean, I use that more like a night cream than I do as an eye cream, but I do use it on the eyes at night. So those two products are priceless. There's nothing on the market. And I told the young man who I talked to before, I have so many other products. I've used them, tried them, but nothing compares to TATCHA when it comes to these two products.
Could not agree more. It's a beautiful line. And
it is.
Claudette, you're delightful. Do you have snow on the ground?
Oh, my goodness, yes. I just did about 3 to 4 inches from last night.